But what tribe of Jacob are Indians, Indian Jews?
right.
Like which tribe?
I don't know exactly. It is or Menashe or Reuben.
Okay, or Menashe
But
or Reuben.
99% Menashe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
There were 12 tribes. So,
Yes. All
So
right.
you know,
I know all the
That's
12
what
tribes.
you are interested in. it.
Of
And
course, I
you're-
am. I am.
It's a nice question because they want to know
Mm-hmm.
how. But these Jews, they don't believe us. You know.
Yeah.
Abraham had a son Isaac,
Isaac. Yeah.
but no, Ismail was from the other one.
Yes,
the
from
Muslim.
Hagar.
That's the Hagar.
Hagar. Yeah.
That's from. Then Sarah gave birth to
Isaac.
Isaac.
Yes.
Isaac to Jacob.
Jacob.
Jacob to
The 12. Yeah.
12 tribes of them. We are the tribes of Jacob.
Mm-hmm.
And these two Israelis, they were staying in Israel. And one of this thing, they do the business. You know, like now, everybody goes to India to buy the things. You know. So they used to go to India to buy the tablinim.
Okay.
You know tablinim. Pepper, chili, ginger.
Okay.
all
All right. Spices.
Spices, spices, exactly. What. Spices, they used to go to the,
India,
and they used to
but-
go by the ship.
Okay.
And during, we have a history of more than 2,000 years living in India. And one ship was broke, destroyed.
Okay.
Destroyed well,
In the sea.
in the sea. Nothing, nobody attacked her in the sea. And many Jews were died, and many Jews were saved by the fishermen. And who were the fishermen? Hindus.
So the Hindus saved the Jews.
The Jews, and each fisherman took them to their village. Or this village, like that. That's why my surname is original surname is Nagaukar.
This is how Jews ended up in India.
Yeah, exactly. Shevesh Reuben or Menashe, I don't know. And the because of that, fishermen took us to other this thing. So that place now is called Nagao,
Nagao.
and we ride it curve, Nagao curve. But now it's but Nagao curve. Like many Jews, they had according to the city village they were staying. They were, and we adopted the this thing. We didn't. We stayed with our Jewish history, kosher,
You
and
adopted everything.
Friday, Saturday, not to work.
Shabbat.
But nobody forced them, and there was no anti-Semitism for the Jews, by the Hindus. So they allowed to take leave on Saturday, Friday half, and light the candles. Everything was observed, this thing. And we mixed up with the Hindus. We didn't play the idol.
There was no problem between Hindus and Jews.
You know, Hindu gods are like Pesel. You know Pesel, statue of a god.
Idol, yeah.
Idol of a god.
Yeah.
But we didn't. We don't do namaste. and all. We go to synagogue. Like that. But we were friends. When you are my friend, doesn't matter whether you are Christian,
Exactly.
Hindu, or
Exactly.
Muslim. We are mixed up with. Indians are mixed up with all these religions. We have no enemies. But if he says, I have no enemies, but he is my enemy, I have to accept
Exactly.
because he is going to kill me.
Yes.